Mr. Brent Brunel, this is Paul Cundiff, and so we are bubbling. Your project is bubbling back up to the top of the list of our things to do, and we had some boats that had to go out first by Memorial Day and then by the 4th of July, and so now we're to the ones that were farther out, the ones that we made commitments on all those boats while we were waiting on payments from people, not just you, on other boats. And so now those boats that we were waiting on payments they're all coming together at the same time now too. So anyhow, what I wanted to show you is, of course, all your transom plywood's gone, cleaned down to the skin, down to the fiberglass skin. Your stringers, rotted stringers are cut out. Now, there seems to be some rot forward of these stringers, but we think once we tab these in, if it was rotted before, if it's rotted now, it was rotted before. So, the boat was holding together the rest of the way. So we think that you're fine in here once we put the stringers back in down the center. Now, there was rumored that the stringers on the outside are rotted too. They are cut off a little bit right here. Let's see, right there at the very back, in order to allow room to get in there and work the fiberglass, or work the plywood for the transom. There are going to be 2 layers of marine plywood in the transom. So that is, so where was I going with that? Anyway, so, but I fell to the back. They are wet, but I don't think they're rotted, at least not yet. And these areas right here, then right there, and this one on the other side, the mirror to it, seems to be okay. Seems like they're going to hold the bolts for the engine hold down bolts okay. So what we're planning on doing is through bolting like an angle on, or maybe even 2 angles made out of aluminum, one on either side of where the stringers go, and then fastening the stringers to the angles, as well as fastening the stringers in, mudding the stringers in with structural filler and polyester cloth and polyester resin. So, but before I did that, I wanted to make sure you realize that we're hoping to get all of this done with the amount of money that you've got left in your till, which is about just a little under $4,000. So we're hoping to be able to do that. But before we do that, if we go over, we want to make sure that you're prepared for that, because what we do is an estimate. It's a scientific wild ass guess, and then of course that will just include doing the woodwork and so forth. I believe you were planning to come back and install your engines and outdrives. So just want to make sure we're on the same sheet of music. And if you want to pull the plug on this, now would be the time to pull the plug before we spend any more money on this. So let me know what your thinking is, and we'll talk to you soon.